Hi there, pretty! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chinese Vlog. So, hi guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So, it was about a couple of months ago since the last time I uploaded my video. It was my birthday content. Some of you were asking me if I had stopped vlogging. So, the answer is, of course, not. So, I was very busy lang and, you know, mommy's life. Kagaling ko lang sa lagnat and kaliligo ko lang. So, napag-isipan ko na mag-film today because feel ko. Since February is approaching and, you know, February is the heart month, I have to make makeup tutorial or makeup look that is suitable for Valentine's Day. So, without further ado, let's hop to the video. So guys, the first step is, of course, you have to sanitize our hands. Na-prep ko ng skin ko using my daily skincare routine. Spray lang. Let it dry first. So since this makeup is for Valentine's Day, we only have to achieve the simple look lang or simple natural look lang. Huwag yung sobrang makapal or sobrang pakak na makeup kasi diba? Ayaw natin na maggulat yung boyfriend natin na pangit pala natin kapag walang makeup, diba? Let's proceed to our foundation. So this one lang. And kuha lang kayo ng malinis na blending sponge. So, ayan. Blend lang natin ng mabuti. So, ang shade na ginamit ko is Oriental. It costs only 75 pesos, guys. Kung ilang gamit ko na to. Proceed tayo sa concealer din. Ang gagamitin kong concealer is from BYS. Binigay lang ng friend ko to sa akin. You know who you are. Ma'am Rhea. So you have to apply it here, here, para lifted ang eyes natin. And then, blend lang natin using the same sponge. Contour from BYS. Just a few of also here. So guys, this makeup is for everybody. My boyfriend ka man o wala. Kung gusto mong magpaganda, go lang. Let's proceed here. Just a little. And next is blush. And I'll be using this Vice Cheeky Blush. In the shade Everyday Nude. So, ayan. Mag-set lang tayo using powder. And I'll be using Vice Doe Finish Foundation. So, ang shade na ginagamit ko ngayon is Pinesa. Let's proceed to our eyebrows. Kuha lang kayo ng spoolie brush. I'm done with the brows and next kong gagawin is to our brows. Let's proceed to our eyeshadow. So, kuha kayo ng eyeshadow brush. And then, kuha kayo ng brown. I'll be using this one. Lagay natin dito. Send nyo lang guys dito. O ganyan. Para medyo lifted yung eyes natin. Yun. Perfect. Diba? Ganyan pa lang. Yan pa lang siya, B. Bongga na, B. Para ka na si Chicana girl. Diba? Bless. Ganyan. Charis. Mag-add ako ng medyo peach. In this one, guys. Here. So, kung gusto nyo magdagdag ng glitter or something na medyo magpapashine na buhay nyo, papashine ng eyeshadow nyo, go. Wala ka ng pressed glitter. So, sa lower part ng ating eyes, let's use same shade na ginamit natin kanina. So, ayan, let's proceed to the eyeliner. And then, let's proceed to our mascara. Magkukuha lang tayo ng lashes. So, ang eyeliner pala na ginamit ko is from Caroline, guys. Ayan. Ang gagamitin kong mascara is from Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So, proceed tayo sa contour. Ang gagamitin kong lipstick is from Face Lady na shade number 1. So, kuha lang ako ng lip liner, guys. Mag-overline lang ako ng lips. So, kapag medyo pinapawis na kayo, okay na yan. So, huwag na kayo masyadong mag-effort pa. Iiwan ka din naman yan sa huli. Diba? Yes. So, ayun. Magbibihis lang ako and I'll finish this look and I'll be back.
2,000 years later.
So, this is the final look, guys. My Valentines simple makeup look. Ayan. Pwede ka naman makipag-date sa February 14. Ayan. So, it's very simple and very elegant. Diba? So, I hope you guys like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please click subscribe and hit the notification bell below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends and your family. Thank you. See you again guys next time. Bye!